sas-asmr, the latest Forever Aloe Vera Gel, Little Big Star, ASMR. Get to know the latest Forever Aloe Vera Gel in mini format. The new 330 milliliters Forever Aloe Vera Gel. Little Big Star. It contains 99.7% pure aloe vera gel, is rich in vitamin C, and, as we all know, vitamin C helps to maintain a normal immune system and reduce fatigue. By the way, in a glass of Forever Aloe Gel, the vitamin C content is almost twice as high as in a regular glass of orange juice. The Forever Aloe drink can therefore confidently replace this breakfast classic and is not only richer in nutrients, but also milder and more tolerable. Forever recommends to consume at least 150 milliliters per day in stressful situations, or if you want to do something good for yourself, you can also enjoy an extra glass. Furthermore, it contributes to a normal energy metabolism. Of course, Forever Aloe Vera Gel is sugar-free and contains no preservatives. In addition, the drinking gel is gluten-free and is suitable for both vegetarians and vegans. So, why wait any longer? You can find the link to the small drinking gel canister in the description.